Today's the day. What came in today?
Midship Garage 7th Gen Celica Coilovers. This is his first production set.
I don't know what that means, but yay! The reveal! This thing was kind of heavy. I had to take it in, so you're welcome.
I think the weight was like 50 something pounds.
Oh my, that is blue.
Ooh, yeah,
Aqua? Turquoise?
Turquoise? His colors, it's like this turquoisey blue.
Shiny.
With his Midship Garage.
You can come closer. And that's where we got it from?
Yep. So he actually makes custom Celica parts because he's a Toyota enthusiast. And I saw that he came out with a set of coilovers. So I bought his first set. So he hasn't produced these ever. And this is the first time these are being produced. So these are Swift spring upgraded. So over the regular upgrades you get with most coilovers, I went with, I think it's a 7 and 9K, but we can confirm. I've been waiting for these since September. So these are the rears. This is a 8K spring, so 7 and 8. So you can see Swift Midship.
This is all the goodies together.
There is also a goodie bag with the instructions for coilovers. Talking about installation. Comes with a Midship Garage sticker, decal, 2 Midship collar adjustments, wrenches, and I believe these are the caps for the coilovers themselves. So I can adjust this dampeners. So it should go right there. Screw on, and this allows me to adjust in the damper for stiffer or looser. So you can see the plus and minus, and it turns. That's that one. And for the rear. And yep, so that's the plus for stiffer. I think they're on max stiff right now. Yeah. Oh, no, they're max loose. I'm going to turn them to tighter. These are 32 adjustment levels on the coilovers. So there's 32 dampener settings, and that just changes the stiffness on the dampener itself. The spring will stay the same, but the dampener will affect the rebound.
I guess the real question is, how soon are you going to get these on? No pressure.
Hopefully soon. These are beefy arms where the sway link connects. These are much thicker than my Megan coilovers that I bought back in 2009. So hopefully this will be a nice upgrade from my off-the-shelf. These are custom configured to the way I want for 7 and 8 for the spring rate. So if you guys like what you see here, we're going to be installing this on my 7th gen GTS. So it's a 2000 GTS manual 6-speed. And we're going to be replacing my aged Megan coilovers. If you would like to buy a set of these midship coilovers, I'll leave a link down in the description.